factory cycle and saves. Got a 2000 Honda Recon. It's 8 degrees outside today and it just will not keep idling without the choke, but once it's warmed up it does idle well. The reverse all works, it goes through the gears good. Everything on it seems in really nice shape. You can see how clean it all is. Suspension all looks really clean, it's unmolested and unused. Really a nice unit in really decent shape. Let us know what you need for your Recon and we'll take care of you. Remember to look down below on how to get a hold of us on eBay, and make sure you subscribe to see what else we've got to take apart for you. Thanks.